It's Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use two Joy-Con controllers on your Nintendo Switch. So if you want to go ahead and just divide them and split them up so they're two controllers, this is easy to do. Now first you need to go to the home screen and then go to controllers. And then you can see I have both of them connected in the bottom left. So we want to go to change grip order right here and select this. Now go to your controller and you want to press the sync button down. Hold this down and the lights will blink. Alright, and then it's going to be paired in the upper left. Then press the inner buttons, the SR and the SL. And then it will be connected as an individual controller as opposed to one here, one large controller. Do the same thing with the other one. So let's do this. Have to hold it down. And it's connecting. Okay, good. Now press these buttons in. Boom. And then press this button right here. And it's connected as two controllers now as opposed to just one controller. And then you can go over to Super Smash Brothers or like Super Mario Odyssey or Rocket League. I believe when you're in the game you have to like press this button down together, or you might have to press like the top button down. So there's going to be a way to connect your second player or your controller in the game. Just log in with a different profile and you should be good to go. But first you need to set it up under controllers as two different controllers and you should be good from there. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.